tiled swimming pool or coated swimming pool? Many pool owners ask which one is better. But most pool problems are not caused by the finish itself. Usually, the real problem is poor waterproofing and improper installation. That's why every durable swimming pool starts with proper waterproofing underneath. Tiled pools have more grout lines and joints, which means more cleaning and maintenance over time. Coated pools create a smoother, more seamless surface with fewer joints. That means easier cleaning and a cleaner-looking finish. For coated swimming pools, BLOCKOUT Pool helps provide a durable and seamless protective finish. It is designed to resist chlorine, UV exposure, and long-term pool conditions. Different finishes have different maintenance needs, but both still need proper waterproofing to last. BLOCKOUT Pool 2K Polyurethane-Based Top Coat Membrane for swimming pool. Available nationwide at BUILDRITE Hub branches and official online stores.